Do you smell burning? Noticed oil leaking? Notice your oil is low or your vehicle is misfiring. Hi, I'm Nancy at Kneble's Auto Service Center. So all of these symptoms could possibly be related to one potential problem, a failing valve cover gasket. The valve cover gasket is an important role for the vehicle. It seals between the cylinder head and the valve cover itself. And this keeps dirt and debris from getting into the cylinder head and prevent oil from leaking possibly into the spark plug chambers, causing a misfire. Absolutely over time, this valve cover, which can be made from plastic, cork, or even rubber, can become cracked, brittle, pinched, or even worn out, causing the integrity to be compromised. So if you notice any of these symptoms of the oil burning, leaking, or capacity low, or even misfiring, have your auto technician diagnose your vehicle's problems. Thank you for watching. Like us on Facebook, and remember to share the information. And if you have a comment or a question, enter it below. We'd be more than happy to answer.